A judge's ruling today in Travis County is pausing efforts by Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton to get information from an LGBTQ+ group.
That office is trying to get information from PFLAG about how it supports Texas families seeking gender-affirming medical care for their kids. KXAN's Will Dupree went to the courthouse to learn why the state wants those documents.
A pair of lawyers from the Texas Attorney General's office left a courtroom without saying anything after the Travis County judge ruled against them.
These egregious attacks by the Attorney General's office is a bald-faced attempt to invade the privacy of the loving families and scare and bully people who want nothing more than to love their children.
Paxton's lawyers deny those allegations, saying his office sought the information as part of an insurance fraud investigation. They're looking into how doctors are trying to get around the state's ban on transition-related care for minors. The law went into effect last year, and doctors caught avoiding the ban could lose their medical licenses.
PFLAG is not a medical organization. PFLAG doesn't prescribe medication. They don't have doctors on staff.
The PFLAG legal team argued this is really retaliation for two lawsuits that are currently on hold. However, the AG attorneys said this is not end runs to get information that will help those other cases. A trial in this case is set for June 10th, but the judge signaled what that outcome might already be. She said PFLAG would, quote, likely prevail. PFLAG has 18 chapters in Texas with more than 1,600 members. However, the organization said Paxton's demands are having a chilling effect, meaning fewer people are going to support group meetings and some volunteers are stepping back. Will Dupree, KXAN News.
Now, we did reach out to Ken Paxton's office for seeking further comments about the judge's decision to block his investigation. So far, we have not yet heard back. Now, earlier today, lawyers from the AG's office said they would modify the, quote, sloppy language in their demands to PFLAG and specify that they're not seeking any membership lists or member information.
Going in depth, in December, a Seattle Children's Hospital sued Attorney General Ken Paxton after he issued subpoenas demanding the medical information of young patients he suspected of receiving gender-affirming treatments. Now, in response to the subpoenas, the Seattle hospital filed a lawsuit in Travis County to completely dismiss them or reduce the list of requested documents. Then, according to the Texas Tribune, in late January, Paxton's office requested the medical records of young Texans who received the same care at a telehealth clinic in Georgia. That would mark the second time Paxton has requested such records from out-of-state medical providers.